Did extraterrestrial ancient aliens genetically engineer humans 780,000 years ago? The first humans appear on Earth some 4 million years ago. Still, fresh evidence from the study of human evolution has uncovered persuasive evidence that ancient alien visitors genetically changed a select population of these hominins to produce the first Homo sapiens. Daniela Fenton, a researcher and the author, has exhaustively examined humanity's earliest origins and its abrupt acceleration in brain growth approximately 800,000 years ago. Her findings have resulted in a monumentous revelation. The Australian researcher, an expert in horse lineages and gene expression, uncovered multiple genetic modifications that distinguish humans from current monkey species, some of which are so dramatic that they can only be explained by extraordinary genetic engineering. Daniela Fenton emphasizes a succession of dramatic gene alterations involved with brain growth, neural architecture, and information processing in her book Human Hybrids: Scientific Evidence of Our 800,000-Year-Old Alien Legacy. These modifications include the appearance of genes composed of junk DNA and gene segments that have been cut out, duplicated, and reinserted. Fenton sees the inexplicable fusion of chromosome 2 around 780,000 years ago at the same time as these other modifications as another proof of foreign meddling. This fusion occurs in all large-brained human species, including Neanderthals and Denisovans, but not in any other primate species, she says. She notes that chromosome 2 fusion should have been a one-time error that faded in the following generation, or it may have resulted in a small group of persons carrying 46 chromosomes with a larger population holding 48. Instead, all humans after 780,000 years ago exhibited the mutation. This suggests that the fusion had a significant benefit and that it arose abruptly in many people, allowing chromosome 2 to become a permanent and dominant feature. This does not correspond to any known natural mutations in the human genome. Quote, someone developed an entire generation of breeding partners that harbored the chromosome 2 fusion, and quote, Fenton explains. The chromosomal alteration would affect brain development, immune system development, and reproductive functions. Humans also have unique modifications in the FOXP2 gene, which modify sympathetic connections and boost our capacity to turn novel experiences into normal processes, significantly impacting our ability to make a meaningful speech. According to Fenton, this transition has not been witnessed in other primates, and it appears that our designers intended for humans to be able to swiftly create new regular behaviors in the use of specificity language. Quote, it's not only genetic changes 780,000 years ago that inform us that Homo sapiens is a species created by alien beings, but we have also identified physical material left behind by these stars to the same specific point in time, end quote. In his book, Human Hybrids: Scientific Evidence for Our 800,000-Year Alien Legacy, end quote, he also explains why these aliens were abandoned here and the motives that prompted them to change the earliest hominids. And this is on News 10 Jail 24. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.